Ever wondered how to make those awesome YouTube shorts that pop up on your feed? Well, what if I told you you could create them super easily with Canva? No pro skills required. In just a few clicks, you can turn your ideas into a-cartoon videos, all from your phone or computer. Let me show you how to do it. So hey guys, I hope everything's doing well first. So in today's video, I will show you the step-by-step how to make a YouTube shorts with Canva. The first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com as you can see, and then you have just to sign up. I will show you all the steps, but firstly you must ask some question: what is Canva, how it works with Canva, and a lot of things and information about Canva. Don't worry, I will tell you all these things. So first, let's just know what is Canva. Canva is user or a super easy design tool that lets you create all sorts of content like graphics, videos, and presentations without needing any fancy design skills. For YouTube Shorts, Canva has pre-made templates and features that help you create eye-catching, professional-looking videos just in minutes, right from your phone or computer. It's like having a personal design studio at your fingertips. So the first step that you have to do is just come back to the top, and you have just to sign up by clicking over the button of sign up or log in if you already have an account. So but I already have an account, that's why we have here my account, and I will just click over home, and then you will find this page as you can see. So the inscription of on Canva, it's very easy. You have just to write your email address and your password. Then you have to confirm the password, and you get started by finding this homepage as you can see. So the first step that you have to do right now is just search for short videos, YouTube, as you can see. Then you'll find this page or these templates. We have here first templates. You can just click over seal, and here we have the templates as you can see. So I will show you the step by step how you can do that. Don't be afraid. So the first step, I will just click over all filters. I will select first the category that you want. For example, visit related to the business, related to social media. For example, I will select here YouTube or videos. For example, I will search here for, here we have TikTok videos, Pinterest videos, LinkedIn videos, we have animated social media, Twitter posts, and we have also here education. As you can see, we have also a various things such as video. For example, here we have videos message, mobile videos, colleague, and we have also here YouTube videos. I will select the first one. Then we have marketing, as you can see. For example, if you want here dependent or related to the business card, logos, posters, brochures, then we have here menus and other things. Then we have print products and also cards and invitations. Then also we have format, for example, for a video with this or mobile video with this characters. Then we have also here the style, if you want the modern one, minimalist one, simple one. So for example, I will select the simple one, and I will delete the modern one. Then we have the language and also the theme. For example, for the black one, the pink one, and also we have here the features for the animation, video, audio, subject as well. Then the topic and also the pricing. I will select the free one. About the color, you have to select the one the color you love or the color you think is more better. I will select the white one, and I will click over apply. And then you'll find a page, which is this one. As you can see, here we have 220 templates. You just to select the one you think is better. For example, I will just select this one depending or related to the business, or this one. You have various templates. You can just select the one you think it's better and the one you want. For example, I will select this one, as you can see. So about this color that I like it, I will just select another one. For example, I will select here this white one, and I will click over customize this template, and you will find another page, which is this one, to start and design my YouTube shorts. So as you can see, here we have our YouTube shorts. So let's just clicking over here to just see our YouTube shorts. As you can see, you can also use the other option, which is uploads. You can click over uploads. You can just upload files, you have to click over videos and you click over upload files after that. Alright, then also you can just click over elements and you search for the video that you think you or that you want. For example, I will just write videos shorts, and here we have it. Alright, so you have just to select the one you want. For example, I will just click first for videos and I will search for the one I think it's better. Alright, or just start doing this one. So let's just searching for someone and I will select, for example, this one. I will just delete firstly this one and I will select this one. As you can see, I will just modify the size, so let's wait. Right, so here we have it. Right now let's just see this one. For example, if I want this one, if I delete this, thanks for watching, and you have to add whatever you want. For example, here we have our YouTube shorts and we have here 25 seconds. You can also add page if you want, and also if you want to zoom in, if you want to also here other view, which is scroll view, and we have also here if you want to create view and also preview, and if you want to ask for something. Right now let's just design our short video. For example, I will just go to the design. If I don't like this template, I will just search for another one. Right now I will just go to the elements. Alright, about this one you can add whatever you want. It's very useful to use this one. For example, I will delete this one and I will add, for example, some logos. For example, at our YouTube channel, I will just search for the logo of YouTube, for example, and I will find this one. I will just go to the graphics and let's search for one. Right, so I will select, for example, this one. As you can see, I will put it here like that, and I'll put it here. As you can see in the top, I'll put it here, and right now I will just add a text. I will click over text right now and I will add a little bit of body text and I'll put it here approximately over here. Alright, and I will select also here the color that I want. For example, I will select the white one because it's clear. And right now let's get started and write it. Also, you can modify or select the size you think it's better for you, for example like that, and I will also here put it here like that, and I will add whatever I want. For example, our YouTube channel, which is, for example, I will just add here, for example, liberal terms, for example, or something like that, or other thing that you want. For example, it's just an example. You can just put it here, as you can see. And also right now you can add whatever you want. If you want to, for example, add your voice, you can just go to the uploads here and you click over record yourself, and you'll find other page, which is this one. You have just to click over allow and you click over allow again and you start recording, for example, and we have it 3 2 1 and you get started. So here we have just to explain the meaning of this video, this short video, sorry, and you get started by clicking over done, and you have just to click over save and exit and you get started, or you can just click over exit if you don't like it and you click over exit without saving, and then here we have it, as you can see. All right, so this is how it works with creating a YouTube short. You can just right now saw your YouTube short, as you can see. So I didn't modify a lot of things, but you have to, because you will get started by that. I just show you some tips, and tricks that could help you guys. So let's get started. And right now let's just click it over share and you share it on your YouTube and other option that you want. So here we have also the option of Indo and Radio, and that's it for this video, guys. I hope everything's doing well, and I hope you understand how it works with Canva. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.